Welcome back. So, I said I was going to do videos on Thursdays. I couldn't stick that schedule, so it's been a minute. Today, we're going to do a quick video. I'm going to try and do this all in one take also, so I'll just end up speeding through. We're going to do a steering wheel today. I've had this steering wheel that I bought. It's an NRG wheel. I've got a slim hub. I've got the quick release to go along with it. And I've had all these components, but I kept procrastinating because I just wanted to, well, I wanted to make another video. So I've got my tools over here in the seat. First and foremost, I'm going to skip the formalities today. I'm just going to get right to it. First and foremost, to take this airbag off, first off, be very careful. Secondly, you're going to need a T50 security socket. Because there are two security screws here that hold the airbag in place. As you can see, I'm sitting off to the side so I don't get fucking airbag bukkakied, but we'll see what happens.
Boy.
So, I bought this. Some people say go to O'Reilly's or go to AutoZone. I got this from Home Depot for fucking $2.30. Good investment. So, just goes in here on the side. Apparently it's tight and it's going to honk your horn. Who knew? Here's the plug. Goes right on in here. Looks like that's your horn button inside. This disconnects. This is your airbag. I don't know what's the other part there, but anyway, 19 millimeter. That's what we need to do next. Now, it shouldn't be too tough. Because the FSM says it's only supposed to be 29 foot-pounds, but we'll see. I've got the steering wheel is locked right now. Yeah, it's not bad.
This is not okay. This needs to stop now.
About as straight as we're gonna get. There we go.
Fuck you.
One screw. Alright. Now that I had to remount this twice, of the 4 screws, there was only one in there, so. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a tiny dot right here. There's a little slash right here. Those should probably match up, so it looks like they do, so. I don't really care if it turns right now, just because everything is already centered on the splines, so that really doesn't matter. There we go. What we're looking for is the that was set to 30, so it's supposed to be 29, but I'm a bad guy. Duh. Alright. Pro tip, don't over tighten these right off the bat. Even if you think you're just doing it ever so slightly, it is going to make it hard to line up. So, just gonna say that. This guy is a horn retaining ring, and it will slip down in there like so. So then we can put our fat little, where's our little horn button? Oh, right there. That way it'll hold our horn button in place. But let's get the rest of the screws in here. Now, it did have this big ass ring to go right there. I didn't really like the looks of it. I didn't think it was very cool. So, I got, took it off so I can get some just some countersunk screws.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more! Where the fuck are your parents? Who are your parents? I'm gonna call Child Protective Services. It's time to stop!
So, also I need to get my horn working, but once again, this is a quick video. I don't want to do a whole lot of editing, so we're just going to cut it off here. So this was installing a slim hub and quick release on a hard body. The tools needed to do so: you're going to need a 19mm for the hub nut. You are going to need it was a 3mm hex key, which is actually provided to you by NRG, so you don't have to even really do that. I have a T-handle, so it made things way easier. You're going to need a torque wrench. Torque wrench is going to be set at 29 foot-pounds. I did 30, whatever. And then that was really about it. You could use a couple of other things. You're going to need that T50 security bit to get the airbag off safely. Couple of screwdrivers, a flathead, and a Phillips, just to make sure that you have things rounded off. And I brought a few other tools out. You know, I had that 10mm that I used to get the airbag module, but that's about it. On the Logan pop scale of difficulty, this is a 1. This is like super easy mod. It took a little time. The only thing that seemed to take forever was me overthinking the fact that I had to have my wheels straight and all that stuff. And I mean, the splines are pretty big. You're gonna know if you're off. I mean, it's pretty easy to get this thing straight. So aside from that, if you're looking into a hub, this was not bad. All the parts here I got them off Amazon, but they are from NRG. I'll probably do a D&D for the 240 here in the future. But once again, this is Shady Cakes, and you have a lovely evening.